Hey guys, Chris from Flow Brackets. Today we've got a W206 C-Class and I'm going to talk a little bit about our delete kit and how it works. So let's get into it. So what's the problem? This C-Class comes with a factory mounting box or plinth, which is going to be a lot larger for standard number plates in Australia. So this is a standard Victorian plate, slimline. It's too tall and too wide. So we're going to replace this with our plinth, which is going to be a lot smaller and it's going to be a lot tidier. To install, it's easy. Just got to take all the factory screws, take the box off, replace it with our plinth. It even comes with little blanking screws to cover up any holes left by the manufacturer. So with that out the way, let's get this on the car. With the plinth on, now you go select your bracket. Now these brackets are sold separately, so make sure you grab one of these at checkout to complete the mounting solution. So if you've got slimline plates, like that for example, grab a slimline bracket, that goes on, plate goes on. If you've got Euro, you grab Euro, etc. In this particular case, we're mounting some nice heritage plates with our custom made bracket. Pop that on and we'll be done. The plates are on and look at the difference. We've gone from this to this. The difference is massive. Just remember to grab a bracket on the way out that matches your number plate style so you can get a nice clean finish like this. So I hope you found this video useful and thanks for watching.